Last night, our transit was pretty uneventful. Really just cruised 85, 90, really. Sorry, 75. And no issues. We got to the hotel around 10:15. Everything was good. Salil and Tom had a few little issues. Shouldn't say a few, really just one, but kind of spiraled into a little mess. They had a nail in the tire, was leaking, found the nail, went to some tire shops to try to get it plugged. They had one tire shop that was going to fix it, but then decided they didn't want to fix it, and then they had to go find someone. They ended up plugging it themselves, and then went over to our good buddy Robert Thorne in Oklahoma City. He's got a whole shop.
Little guy, get it patched up. Not that bad.
It's got two. Should I get my phone out too? No, you keep working.
Yeah, it's like the Spider-Man.
You're doing great.
Pointing at each other. All right, crisis averted. Later.
Bye. And they're back on the road. So it's a long night for them, but really, in the grand scheme of OneLap, a little nail in the tire is a pretty small problem to have. We're at Hallett today. Very nice day out. Warm. I think it's going to get up to 85. Going to enjoy this while we can, because tomorrow it looks like rain with possibly snow at High Planes. So that's going to be interesting. We are about to go line up for the first session and see what we can do. Well, I just came over to tell you good luck.
Thanks, Andy. You too.
Don't fuck it up.
Right.
Good luck.
Ready?
Good luck. Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Awesome.
You ready? Yeah. Thanks, you too. Good luck.
Thanks, Andy, too.
Just go in it. This is your track.
Right.
Good luck. And we're back here.
You never met someone like me. My heart has teeth. It's like I got something to eat. My heart has teeth.
Okay, morning session complete. Everything went actually really well. Car felt great, and I felt like I attacked the course pretty good. It was, I was here about a month ago. This track has lots of nuance to it. It has the elevation stuff, it's got blind corners, it's got grip that changes, various pavements, over the years and stuff. So it's a weird track to drive. I think it really pays off pre-driving this track. This is probably the one on OneLap that you wanted to pre-drive and really know, because there's a lot to lose here. I don't want to say it's high risk of going off, but maybe not high risk of damaging anything. But we did well. I think did 4th or 5th. Salil got us just by a little bit. Now to chill for a while. All right, for the first ever time I beat Salil in the GT3 RS. It's been a great day here. Man.
Hold it away from your mouth.
Why?
Unsubscribe.
Unsubscribe, dislike, thumbs down.